Okay. First question was convert the 512 into binary, and you have drawn the counting frame as well. Okay. So how we are going to start? First, you have to take the 512 and keep on dividing. Okay? Those who have done, just let me know the values what you have taken. You have to take the 512, okay? Then divide by 2. What is the answer, Budbini, when we divide the 512 by 2? 256. Okay, so then 256 divided by 2. What is the answer, Chantula? Quickly. Others, then Crayon. Crevon, eh? Puta Crevon, tell me the answer.
120.
128. Are there remains in the first one? No, therefore we are keeping the 0 here. Then 128 divided by 2. Vihanga, what is the answer? Can't hear the 64. Okay, so 64 divided by 2. Andrew, what is the answer?
32.
Yes, 32. And no remainders. Then 32 divided by 2. So the Chantul is silent. Ne? Okay. Divide by 2, you will get 16. 0 remains. Then 16 divided by 2, 8. 0 remains. Then 8 divided by 2, you will get 4. 0 remains. Space is not enough for me. Okay. Then 4 divided by 2 again. You will get 2 here and 0 remains. Okay. So this 2 again divide by 2, 1 and 0 remains. Then this 1 also should divide by 2 again according to our new syllabus. Okay. So then you will get 0 and 1 remains. So now we are going to take the only remains. That means this one. From here to here, we are going to write in down to top. Okay. So the answer should be 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros based on 2. Okay, check whether you have the correct answer. For if you have this answer, you will get 5 marks for this one. Then next one is counting frame. How are we going to represent the counting frame for this one? Just look at this is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, then 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 8. Okay. For this one, you have to draw the counting frame. I just draw it here. Okay. So place value also should be in the order for this one. Down, you have to mention this one to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, like that. So for where we should the ball, keep the ball should be there in the 10 to the power 8 place. So to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, like you have to represent it here. And draw a ball and fill the ball with the, that we don't keep the empty one, fill it and keep it there. Okay, that's all. So if this one also correct, you will get 5 marks. Altogether, your marks will be 10. Check your answers. Altogether, there should be 10. Answers. Marks. Send me the marks. 10. Okay, others. 10 out of 10. Okay, good. Next one. Convert 1101. We are not going to read this one as 1101. Just look at this number. We should read it like 1101. Okay, not 1101. Because there's a binary number. Okay. One, one, one. How we will find out? Now tell me. We have to take the place values. Ne? 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. So what is this? 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3. Okay. Then here 2 to the power 0. Andrew, what is the value of 2 to the power 0?
1.
Very good. 2 to the power 0 is 1. Then 10 to the power 0, Andrew? Good minute. What is the value of 10 to the power 0? Huh? 2 to the power 0 is 1. Okay. 10 to the power 0 also 1. 100 to the power 0 also 1. 1000 to the power 0 also 1. Whatever the value, just look at. 2 to the power 0 is 1. Okay. ඕනම value එකක් මේ ලෝකෙ තියෙන ඕනම එකක් ගන්න infinite නම් එකක් වුණා. So ඒකට power එක දුන්නත් that number to the power 0 is 1. මේ ලෝකෙ තියෙන ඕනම number එකකට power value එක 0 විදිහට ගත්තොත් එයා එක වෙනවා. හරි? 10 to the power 0 is also 1. ලියා ගන්න දන්නේ නැත්නම් දන්නේ නැති කට්ටිය 10 to the power 0 1. පැත්තකින් ලියා ගන්න. Then 100 to the power 0 also 1. මේ ලෝකෙ තියෙන ඕනම දෙයක් ඒකට power 0 නම් එයා 1 වෙනවා. Then 25 to the power 0 1. හරි? ඒක වැදගත්. ඒක චුට්ටක් මතක තියාගන්න. Any number when we take the power 0 is that is 1. So 2 to the power 0 is 1. Then 1 should multiply by 1. Why? We have the number 1 at the place. Then we are going to add 2 to the power 1. 2. හැමෝම උත්තර දෙන්න. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 1 multiplied by 0, value will be 0. Then add with 2 to the power 2. What is the value? 4. 4 multiplied with 1. Answer will be 4. So 4 should plus with this one. Then 2 to the power 3. Good minute. Kawuda? Can't see the list of the name. Those are here. Sashmita, what is the 2 to the power 3?
8, teacher.
8. කවුරු හරි මෙතන 2 to the power 3 6 කියන කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවද? Are there anyone saying 2 to the power 3 is 6? Guess කරන කවුරු හරි? If not, that's better. 1,000 times better, because yesterday I found a boy, St. Joseph boy, in A-level, 2024 batch. I asked, what is the 2 to the power 3? He said 6. That's wrong. Keep in mind, 2 to the power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That means we are going to multiply 2 by 2 again 2. That means 3 times we are going to multiply. So 2 to the power 2 means 4. 4 multiplied by 2 means what? 8. Right? Just keep in mind, when you are multiplying that the value will be 8. Right? තුන් පාරක් දෙක වැඩි වෙනවා. නැතෝ දෙවරක් 3 6 නෙමෙයි. තුන් පාරක් දෙක වැඩි වෙනවා. එතකොට උත්තරේ 8යි. හරි අපේ කට්ටිය ඔහොම කියන්න බෑ. I have done it so many times. That means the new boy said, one of the new boys said, that's wrong. In their school, they didn't study that properly. Okay. If you have any doubts, you will write it 2 into 2 into 2 3 times and find out the value. It will come into number 6. Number 8, not the 6. Right? It should be the number 8. Okay, so 8 multiplied by 1. Okay, what is the answer? 8. So what shall we do now? We should add all. 8 into 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Base 10. If you don't have the base 10, put a cross. No marks. 0 marks. Check whether you have written the base 10. If so, give 5 marks for this one. And how can you represent the 13 in counting frame? That is easy, ne? 10 to the power 0, that is 1. 10 to the power 1. Okay, third row, 3 balls here and 1 ball here. So if everything is correct, you will get 10 marks. 5, 5. Counting frame 5. The calculation 5. Everyone send me your marks. How much? 5. 10. Others send me the marks. Okay, good. Everyone 10 out of 10. Good. Mayon and Rhythm is not there. Okay. Oh, everyone 10. Very good. So we'll move to the next question. Convert 110111 into decimal. Set the value. Don't do unwanted things. Our value is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 based on 2. So what is this one? 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 means 1. 1 multiplied by 1. Okay. Actually, we are writing like this. Then the value will be 1. That should add with the 2 to the power 2 value. 2 to the power 1. Multiply with 1. That is 2 multiply with 1. Then answer will be 2. Then add with 2 to the power 2 multiply with 1. That is 4 multiply with 1. Answer is 4. This one and this 2 to the power 3. Two to the power 3 means 8. 8 multiplied by 1. This also should multiply by 0, not 1. And here multiply by 0. So answer should be 0. Okay. 0 is there. So 0 we should multiply by 0. 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 1 should add with this one. 2 to the power 4 means what? 16 multiplied by 1 add with this one. Then 16 should be there. Then 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 1, 32 multiplied by 1 should add with this one. Then 32. Okay. What is the total answer? 32 plus 16. How much? 32 plus 16. You will get 8, 4, 48. Then 48 plus 2, 50. Then 50 plus 4, 54. 54 plus 1, 55. Did you all get the same answer based on 10? If you have this 5 marks, then counting frame. So just look at this one also. 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 means 1. Okay. Then 10 to the power 1. So here we have 5 balls for each side. Okay. Altogether 5, 5. That means 10 marks. Send me your marks. Everyone send me your marks. Altogether 10. Nah? Okay. Everyone 10. Good. That means this time also you can get around 95 or above 95 for the exam. Huh? I hope so. Good. Okay. Next one. We have the scratch. For that, draw a flow chart to input two numbers A and B and find out the total and display the output. Scratch program using your computer and draw it on the answer sheet. I ask you to make the practical, that means you have to make that using Scratch program and draw the diagram which is there, okay, with the flow chart. But two of them sent me, others didn't send me the answers. Huh? Okay. How to make the flow chart? How to start the flow chart? Can you remember? We have done so many times. Tell me the symbols. Starting. Starting should be what shape? I'll take the previous one. That's it. Okay, so start, then ending or stop, also oval shape. I have seen in your book, it was look like rounded uh, triangles, rectangles. Eh? So here you rounded rectangles may be there. It's wrong. It should be oval shape. Okay. The diagram which is given in the book was wrong. The start and ending must be oval shape. And then you have the input, how we represent. If anyone knows, just let me know. What is the shape of input? Input should be paragraph, Samantrashtra. Okay. So input, we are going to use this with this one, and input, output both. So how to write on this one? Edit text. Then we'll write input. What are the values? A, comma, B. Okay, we are asking user to input that value. How to change the font? Font color, I can pick here and I can go to the home. Just look at, I'm covering the PowerPoint practicals also from this. Not going to do it again. Okay, change the size. And then, same thing, I'm copy pasting. I need the output. What is the output? I need the total. For that, I'm just keeping this one. So next one, I have the process. So process also, I'm going to use the rectangle. Okay. So rectangle, you can set like this. Then in text edit, take it as total equal A plus B. Okay. Then we have the total. Then we ask you to take it as output total. That's all. This is the flowchart. And keep in mind when you are drawing the line should touch the next one as well. It should touch the shape. Okay. Everyone check your drawing flowchart for this one, 5 marks. Sorry, 10 marks. And keep copy the URL. Sometimes this may disconnect.